Hello friends, I am Chetan Apte. Welcome back to my channel Chetan Apte's Vlogs. I just purchased a few good gear for my video logging. Let's go that. This is Gorrillapod. Let's do the unboxing of it. Let's start. So I am just opening that. Here it is.
Okay.
This is the Gorrillapod camera tripod.
Now the real unboxing starts.
Ta-da! Let's cut open this. Oh, it's open already. So it's like this. It's like this. It's like this. Yes, there is this notch here by which you press this lever and it snap fits. Press this lever, this comes out. Then you fit this into your camera's tripod thing, and then insert it here and place your camera on top of this like that, and you are sorted. Now something really interesting. You see this? Let's bring it out. Now this is a clip for putting your mobile phone on top of this. Here it is. Fitted. Now put your phone up here and you are done.
So this is how you set up the Gorrillapod, and now the camera will slide onto it. So right now it's completely hands free, quite dangerously tilted, but still the camera is on the tripod.
So this is how the Gorrillapod looks like when camera is mounted on top of it. The second thing I purchased is this. It is a collar mic with some 2-3 meter long cable, so that the 3mm jack goes to my camera and the mic is on my collar. Let's see. I love breaking these bubbles. Here is the mic. So this end will go into a camera or my phone or maybe even my computer, and this will go to my collar. Smack that like button to the video. Show some love in the comment box below. Mention your views and opinions in the same. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon so that you will get instant notification. And like I always say, keep spreading happiness. Bye bye.